Hello, I'm Uli from QUQUQ. The QUQUQ box combines a mobile kitchen with storage space and a bed. In the larger camping boxes, like the BusBox 1 and 2, the bed can be separated from the kitchen for weight reasons. The kitchen is simply placed by two in the vehicle. Then the bed is slid onto it and moved into the mounting points on the back. At the front, the bed is fastened by hand with two star screws. The screws are connected to the bed by a safety strap so that they cannot get lost. The leather strap holds down the folded bed securely during the journey. The box is fixed to the attachment points in the vehicle with the supplied lashing straps. When the pull-out for cool boxes is installed, there are two additional lashing straps for the backside of the box. The space on the left and right of the box varies depending on the vehicle model. Here you can, for example, store a sleeping bag, hammock, jacket or the bag with the beach utensils. The kitchen includes everything you need for cooking: cooker, water, table and a cool box. By the way, we show you all the details about the kitchen in the videos about the Combi Box kitchen, because the principle of the QUQUQ box is always the same.